From the moment this motorhome rolls into view, it doesn't feel like a vehicle at all. It feels like a moving resort, a floating penthouse sculpted into motion. Every curve of the white-gold exterior is shaped like flowing architecture, balconies stacked elegantly, panoramic glass stretching across the sides, and golden ambient lines glowing softly under the body. It has the presence of a hotel tower, but it glides across the road with the silence and confidence of a luxury yacht. And inside, every inch has been crafted to carry the same warm, resort-like atmosphere. Stepping into the bedroom, the tone shifts from grand to deeply personal. The walls curve inward in matte white, blended seamlessly with warm natural wood panels that make the space feel immediately grounded and calm. The golden LED lines hidden along the ceiling edges glow softly, lighting the room in a warm, subtle gradient. The bed is compact yet elegant, rounded wood frame, smooth cream upholstery, and soft beige pillows that reflect the warm gold from the panoramic window. That window stretches across the wall with rounded corners, tinted in a soft champagne hue so the world outside always looks gentle, never harsh. Sheer cream curtains fall lightly across it, flowing with a softness that keeps the bedroom private but still connected to the light outside. A floating bedside shelf made of warm wood carries a single vase with one small white flower, keeping the aesthetic minimal, warm, and intentional. Even the light wood flooring catches the golden glow and pulls it across the room. Nothing here is loud. Everything feels like the quietest, warmest corner of a luxury retreat. The dressing area continues that warm, elegant theme. The curved matte white walls merge directly into warm wood wardrobe panels, shaped so cleanly you barely notice where the material shifts. A soft golden LED line follows the shape of the upper wall, glowing gently without ever becoming bright or distracting. The vanity shelf floats in place, its rounded warm wood edges matching the bedroom perfectly. In front of it, an oval mirror rimmed with a warm backlight gives off the kind of glow you'd expect in a five-star dressing suite. Both wardrobes slide open in soft warm wood panels, and inside them you see clothes hanging neatly under gentle golden interior lighting. A medium-length panoramic window with rounded corners repeats the same design language, softened by sheer cream curtains. The light wood flooring keeps everything cohesive. This space doesn't feel like a cramped corner. The lounge area opens up visually but keeps the same warm design language. The cream sofa is curved and fitted along a warm wood back panel, creating a built-in seating shape that feels sculpted rather than placed. Soft golden LEDs glow under the sofa base and along the ceiling edge, giving the entire lounge a warm, sunset-lit ambience. The coffee table, a smooth oval of warm wood, holds a simple decor vase, again keeping everything minimal and intentional. Another long panoramic window with rounded corners frames the outside world like a living painting, softened by cream curtains. Behind the sofa, a compact staircase rises upward, its warm wood steps illuminated with golden underglow, giving the area a subtle cinematic effect. The matte light wood flooring reflects the warm tone gently, keeping the entire lounge cohesive, compact, and premium. It feels like sitting inside a golden hour. The kitchen takes that warm language and tightens it into a highly functional compact space. Pearl white cabinetry lines the walls with soft curved edges, trimmed delicately in warm wood. Golden LEDs glow beneath the upper cabinets, lighting the cream countertop naturally. The layout stays efficient, round sink on one side, induction cooktop on the other, both recessed cleanly into the surface. A built-in microwave is tucked inside the warm wood cabinet wall, maintaining the streamlined aesthetic. A small dining ledge extends outward, fitted with two cream stools. On the counter, a teapot and fruit bowl bring a quiet sense of home to the space. Another panoramic window with rounded corners sits above the counter, letting natural light filter through a sheer cream curtain. Light wood flooring keeps everything bright and open. It's compact, but it feels like a luxury suite kitchen rather than a motorhome galley. Moving into the executive office, the same warm wood and white palette creates a calm, grounded space designed for focus. The matte white curved walls flow into vertical warm wood ribs, adding depth without cluttering the space. Behind the desk, soft golden LED light outlines the wall, giving the room a subtle glow. The floating desk is warm wood with rounded edges, holding a neatly placed laptop, a notebook, and a small vase, simple but intentional. The cream leather chair with wooden accents fits the tone perfectly. The panoramic window with rounded corners filters soft daylight through its sheer curtain, and the light wood flooring adds warmth. This office doesn't feel like a cramped workspace, it feels like a compact executive suite. The bathroom continues the warm spa-like ambience. Matte white curved walls blend into warm wood vertical accents. A soft golden LED glow illuminates the small oval mirror above the floating warm wood vanity. The minimalist white basin keeps the lines clean. A compact curved shower pod sits on the side, its frosted glass door edged gently in gold. A small commode sits tucked neatly in a curved alcove, designed to feel integrated rather than placed. A horizontal panoramic window above adds light without compromising privacy, thanks to its sheer curtain. The matte beige flooring gives off a soft reflection. Everything here feels like a warm spa cabin rather than a bathroom on wheels. The mini pool adds a surprisingly serene element. The small rounded soaking pool is finished in warm beige stone and lit with a golden underglow beneath the waterline. Sculpted matte white walls curve around the space, meeting warm wood side panels that bring a calm, organic feel. A recessed shelf holding rolled towels and candle decor amplifies the spa atmosphere. A medium panoramic tinted window with rounded corners brings in soft ambient light. The curved ceiling glows with golden diffusion, and the stone flooring feels warm and natural. It's a retreat inside the retreat. The gym keeps everything compact but realistic. Matte white walls pair with warm wood strips, and soft golden LEDs follow a low ceiling curve. A high-quality treadmill and stationary bike, both in silver-white finishes with realistic controls, sit cleanly against the wall. A warm wood dumbbell shelf holds a full chrome set, neatly arranged. The panoramic window brings natural light into the space, and the matte beige anti-slip flooring keeps everything authentic. For a motorhome gym, it's unusually refined. Finally, the cockpit maintains the warm, premium theme. The matte white dashboard curves smoothly, with warm wood inlays and a golden edge light outlining the controls. The modern steering wheel features satin black with subtle silver trim. A central digital panel sits inside a smooth white console. Dual cream pilot seats with warm wood armrests add comfort and continuity. The large panoramic front window wraps around with rounded corners, covered partly by a soft cream curtain. The ceiling glows gently with golden light, and matte beige flooring anchors the space. It feels more like the bridge of a private yacht than a motorhome cockpit. A motorhome built with this level of craftsmanship and architectural detail wouldn't come cheap. With materials, engineering, the multi-level structure, and its resort-grade interior, a real-world price would easily fall into the $6.5 million to $9 million range, depending on configuration. If you want more futuristic luxury creations like this, scripts, interiors, titles, and complete SEO packages, subscribe now and stay tuned. The next masterpiece is already on the way.